Pokemon nearby? I don't know.
When the shots go off, everybody get down! Everybody get down! When the shots go off, when the shots go off, everybody get down!
Hey guys, it's Maddie and Destiny, and in today's video we are going to be going Pokemon hunting! So if you guys don't know, there's this new app called Pokemon Go, and basically you can look for Pokemon and find them and have a collection, and it's like the new thing. And so we're going to be doing that today. So this should be fun.
Yes, I'm excited. I'm gonna go catch some so weird Pokemon.
Okay, so we're starting our Pokemon hunt. This is Destiny. Here she is. Here's my brother Shane. He's doing it with us too. Here we go. We're about to have some fun. Destiny's about to catch her Pokestop. Okay. All right. She got some Poke eggs. Boom, boom. Okay, she got another Pokestop. Let's look what she gets.
It's like white.
Keep going, keep going. Fine.
Hello.
Yay. Let's get this one. She got it. My brother got an egg. Whoop, whoop. I think I'm sneaking up on one. I got one. I'm gonna jump on the table. Oh, Shane, Pidgey. Come on, Pidgey. See that? I'm in the process of trying to catch one. Trying to tap it. Okay, where'd he go? He left me. He ran away.
Ran away?
No, I missed him. Caught him. Let's see if he doesn't escape. He escaped! Oh, he's right in front of me. Shane, look at this.
What?
Look.
Don't think that's supposed to happen.
I think I got a glitch.
You got it.
Woo! She got it! She got it! Oh, what's an egg, guys?
Oh, you did get him. That's a good one.
Okay, she's catching a really rare one. What do they call the Shane?
Execute.
Execute. You caught it?
I just executed.
Hi! Did you catch it?
Oh wait, nope, escape. Nope.
They're somewhere right. Did they escape?
Did they run?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, before we go. Oh, wait. Eggs are back. I found the eggs to execute. They're probably. Why isn't it letting me tap on it, Shane?
Keep trying.
They ran away.
Alright,
We're going on the trail. As you can see, it's burnt down a while back.
there's a manatee really close.
There is. This Pokemon really close. We're about to go snatch it. Okay. So, trying to find this Pokemon here.
We're getting really close.
We're getting super close. Like, my brother's so close to it right now. It's crazy. This is fun, huh, Destiny? You're about to get something, Destiny?
Yes.
Okay. You can't
Oh, it
see it?
escaped.
Oh, it escaped. Gosh. Come on, get it. You got one, Shane?
I think I got him.
Nice. You get one?
Yeah.
Oh, you did?
Oh, he's on your shoulder, Destiny.
He's on it. Oh!
Not even kidding.
Seriously?
Crazy.
Yeah.
I came here to Pokemon, but I found the swing. If this thing breaks on me,
I'm gonna laugh.
I'm gonna go to the hospital. Are you ready?
Ready?
Yeah, try the rope swing, I dare you.
Which one?
You did? Let's go! You got something? We're gonna go catch it. So we found this bird. It's on my head. Yeah! This is so cool. I want a bird. It's on Destiny's head.
Like a bird on my head.
Okay, so that just happened. He put birds on our heads, like, and we didn't even ask him to. But when we were walking away, my brother Shane, he was all, "It pooped on you," and I was like, "What?" Look, It pooed on me.
It's only.
Jag kunde ammonite.
Seriously?
Yeah,
Whoa.
at Costco.
Seriously? Oh my gosh. Ooh, look how pretty this is.
It's times like these that we like to remind everyone to stay hydrated.
Stay hydrated. I passed out before from not hydration.
Me too.
Everybody just said because I'm probably gonna pass out again. We just walked past the Jeep and I'm really sad because I want one.
So I think today has been a pretty successful Pokemon hunting day.
Yeah, we caught, look how many Pokemons I have. Okay, wait. Just kidding, it's not loading. But I have a lot. We caught a lot. And Shane and you caught a fish. Mine froze up so I didn't catch fish. And yeah. Yeah.
Thanks guys for watching. Please remember to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for weekly videos. Bye loves!